Stop celebrating your 5% raise. Seriously, put the champagne down. In 2026, a standard raise isn't a reward for loyalty, it is a severance package paid in installments. You think you're getting richer because the number in your bank account went up? Wrong. You are actively bleeding value every single hour you sit at your desk. Here is the uncomfortable truth that HR won't tell you. You are paying an invisible tax. It's called the AI tax. The villain here isn't corporate greed or inflation. The villain is your addiction to the old way of working. You are still trading raw time for money in an economy that has shifted entirely to trading leverage for money. If you are doing your job the same way you did in 2024, you aren't just stagnant, you are obsolete. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to prove why your hard work is actually the most financially irresponsible thing you're doing. Let's change your vocabulary. Stop thinking like a sheep employee who seeks stability. Start thinking like a wolf investor who seeks ROI, return on investment. The sheep's view: I am paid for my time. If I work 8 hours, I deserve 8 hours of pay. The wolf's view: time is a cost, not a product. I am paid for the outcome. If I can get the outcome in 30 minutes, the remaining 5 hours are my profit margin. Here is the reframe. The AI tax is the penalty you pay for manual labor in a digital age. If a task can be done by a $20 month software agent in 3 seconds, but you insist on doing it manually for 3 hours, you are effectively burning the company's money. In 2026, competence is no longer the metric. Competence is the baseline. The new metric is velocity. If you aren't using AI as a force multiplier, you aren't an employee. You are a liability. You are a slow, expensive bottleneck in a high-speed system. Let's look at the numbers. They are going to insult your intelligence, but you need to see this. Let's say you are a mid-level analyst earning $40 an hour. Your boss asks for a complex market report. Scenario A, the traditionalist. You spend 10 hours researching, reading, PDFs, writing, and formatting. Cost to company, $400. Time lost, 10 hours. Scenario B, the AI augmented competitor. They use an AI agent to scrape the data, a second agent to synthesize the findings, and they spend 30 minutes acting as the editor-in-chief to verify and refine the voice. Cost to company, $20. 0, 5 hours of labor. Time gained, 9, 5 hours. The math: you are 2,000% more expensive than your competitor for the exact same output. Do you think your loyalty justifies a 2,000% markup? No. The AI tax is the gap between that $400 and that $20. Right now, your employer is eating that cost. But soon, they will realize they can hire one person to do the work of 10 of you. The math doesn't care about your feelings. It only cares about efficiency. So, how do you stop paying the tax and start collecting the rent? You need to pivot from being an operator to an architect. Step 1, the mindset shift. The CEO of You Incorporated. Stop asking, how do I do this task? Start asking, how do I design a system to do this task for me? You are no longer the writer, you are the managing editor. You are no longer the coder, you are the product manager. Step 2, the tactical stack, the exoskeleton. Don't just chat with a bot, build a workflow. Input. Set up automated feeds, RSS, newsletters, data streams, directly into an AI parser. Create custom instructions or GPTs for your specific repetitive tasks, email replies, code debugging, summary generation. Output. Review, refine, and ship. Step 3, the dark optimization. This is the controversial part. When you reduce a 5-hour task to 15 minutes, do not tell your boss immediately. If you tell them, they will just give you more work for the same pay. Instead, use that freed up time to 1, learn the next level of AI automation, 2, build a side business, 3, make yourself irreplaceable by solving problems no one else has time for. This is shadow work. It's legal, it's smart, and it's how you get ahead. I can hear the voice in your head right now. But AI makes mistakes, it hallucinates. My company doesn't allow us to use these tools. I'm not technical enough. Shut that voice up. AI makes mistakes, so do humans. You make typos, you forget data, you get tired at 3 p.m. And AI makes mistakes fast, which means you can correct them fast. Your company bans it, then use your personal device. or find a new company. Staying in a firm that bans AI in 2026 is like working for a shipping company that banned trucks because they loved horses. You're not technical. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to be able to read and write logic. These aren't reasons. They are excuses for your laziness. You are comfortable being slow because being fast is scary. Being fast means you have no excuse for not delivering excellence. The year is 2026. The gap is widening. There will be two types of people at the end of this decade. One, those who are leveraged, the architects. Two, those who are liquidated, the manual laborers. You don't have to be a genius. You just have to be willing to let go of the old way. Here is my challenge to you. Do not like this content. Do not subscribe. Instead, open your calendar. Look at your tasks for tomorrow. Pick the one that takes the most time. Spend tonight figuring out how to use AI to cut that time by 80%. Do the math or become a statistic. The choice is yours.